So, what is a logo?
A logo is the face of your company. It's like a front door of a building, and that building is your business, your brand. There are different types of logos: name-based, icon-based, initial-based. Each type is suitable for different kinds of businesses. And regardless of the type you choose, your logo should work in any size. It should look good on a huge surface, like a billboard or a bus, and it should also work on small things, like a business card or a smartwatch screen. A good logo should be simple. People usually want to add a lot of elements to their logo, but this could cause a sloppy and even ugly design. Use one icon and no more than 2 fonts and 2 colors to make your logo clean, simple, and recognizable. Choosing the right font is a really important part of making a great logo, because every font has its own personality. See how different the same logo can look with different font styles? The most popular font styles are serif, like the GIORGIO ARMANI logo, sans serif, like the Facebook logo, slab serif, like the Volvo logo, and script, like the Instagram logo. When choosing a color for your logo, try to be intentional about it. Some people just go with the colors they love, but there's a lot more to it. Like fonts, colors have their own personalities. Every color can convey a set of different emotions. For instance, red logos give off energy and passion. Orange logos portray playfulness and excitement. Green exudes health and harmony, and blue conveys loyalty and respectability. With that said, logos don't just have to be one color. A striking combination can make for an awesome logo, but try not to overdo it. People tend to think that the Nike swoosh was the Nike swoosh the day it was drawn, but it was nothing the day it was drawn. A great logo design is timeless. It can tell a whole story in just one symbol. But think of the symbol as an empty vessel that you pour your story into with time. Ready to make yours? Click the link in the description and go to Taylor Brands. Design a beautiful logo for free and purchase only if you like it.